In front of me is Motorola Moto G04 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and select Google Password Autofill. Then just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Now click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!